Creating videos can be really exhausting if you have to use multiple applications to finish just one video. But I'm going to show you a powerful all-in-one tool called UniConverter by Untitled. It can enhance video quality, compress videos without losing clarity, add AI subtitles, and even edit everything in one place. It's fast, easy, and can save you hours of work. So let's get started. First, you need to open the Google and search for Untitled UniConverter. Make sure to open this link with the .com domain. This is the official UniConverter website. You can also find the link in the video description. Click on Try it for free and it will be downloaded. Once the download completes, simply install it. Once installed, you'll see this nice interface with the most frequently used tools. You can click on More Tools and see the full gallery of powerful tools. In this video, we'll focus on some video-related tools offered by UniConverter. Let's start with Video Enahncer, and you can enhance 20 videos at once. I want to improve the quality of a few videos I have. I'll simply drag and drop these here. You have a few options to choose from. You can improve the overall quality, use face enhancement, anime enhancement, general denoise, and even apply frame interpolation. I'll simply go with the first option and click on Export. It's done, and let's see the final output. As you can see, the quality of the videos has improved massively. The before and after comparison shows a noticeable difference. Next, we have the Video Compressor. With this, you can compress videos without losing quality, which makes uploading easier and saves storage space. I've got some videos I want to compress. Simply drag and drop these here. You can see the before and after compression size. You have this very helpful option to adjust how much compression you want to apply, and it affects all the videos, which can save a lot of time. When I change the setting, you can immediately see the new file size. You can also change the compression capacity for each video separately. There are two modes, Basic and AI compression. For this demonstration, I'll simply go with Basic compression. You can also select the new file format here, or click on the Advanced settings and adjust the compression settings even further. Click on this Compress button, and let's see the final result. As you can see, there's almost no loss in video quality, but the video size has reduced quite a lot. Next, we have the Video Converter. With this, you can change video formats, audio formats, and also image formats. You can also open it from this quick button. I've got 3 video files here, each with a different file format. I'll simply drag these into the Video Converter. Click here, click on the Video tab, and you can find all the file formats. And with each format, you have the option to further select the video quality. Pretty impressive. You can also apply your new file format to all the videos from this button. Let's convert these to MP4. When I click on Convert All, the files gets converted instantly, and you can see the new file format here. Next, we have the Subtitle Editor. I have a video here with the voiceover. Now, to add the subtitles, you can either import your subtitle file or click on AI Auto Generate. As you can see, it has automatically generated these subtitles. You can click on the Styles tab and select any style you want. You can further customize the font using these settings. You can change its position, and you can also edit the subtitles timing if you want. Once done with all the changes, click on Export. I only want the MP4 file. And here you can see the edit subtitles.
The sun shines brightly over a field filled with colorful flowers. Butterflies with their pretty wings fly around like flying rainbows. The butterflies hop from one flower to another, sipping sweet nectar and spreading pollen.
UniConverter also has a built-in video editor, and you can customize up to 20 videos at once with just a few clicks. I'll drag these 5 videos to the editor. You can crop the video to your required size. You can change its aspect ratio. You can rotate the video, or flip it vertically and horizontally. You can disable any option if you like. Next is the adjustments. You can either do some color grading by altering these levels, or you can use the pre-made LUTs. Let's see the preview. And that looks good. Next is the filter section. You can quickly try many different filters and choose the one that fits to your needs. Let's see the preview. I'll turn it off because I want to use the adjustments. I'll increase the brightness and saturation. Next, you can increase or decrease the speed, and you can also add a watermark. You can either use some text as a watermark or upload an image. I'll go with the text. You can change its position and speed. You can also change the audio settings, add a fade in or reduce noise. Now if I click on the second video, you can see that it has automatically applied the same settings to this video. Actually, I'll turn off the watermark. The settings are applied to all the clips, which can save you a lot of time. I'll adjust some settings on this one, and that's it. Lastly, you have the export settings. Choose your desired format and video quality. After that, click on Export, and let's see the final output. So Wondershare UniConverter is a complete package of powerful tools that can save you a lot of time and effort. You're gonna find the link in the video description. Try it out and share your experience in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.